Log number 2. Experiment 002 Fox. It is very hostile around scientists. They try to calm it down, but get several injuries in the process. It is not to be bothered when it's aggro. It was discovered in 1992 in an old cabin, and it killed many workers when it was trying to be captured. End of log.